beautiful people, today I have a haul from Shein and I have to say I am super excited for this one. If you guys know me, I am all about everything beauty and that includes nails. I am a nail girly. You wouldn't be able to tell by these nails today, but if you follow me on any of my socials, even here on my account, you know that your girl loves doing her own nails, whether it be gel X, press-ons, just painting my own nails with gel polish. I am all about a DIY, right? Even the the sticker ones that you put on, or the sticker ones that are with gel. I love doing my own nails. And Shein reached out for me to do another video, and when I was able to select these, I literally was like, oh. So let's jump into it. I have a ton of nails to show you guys, and also I will be doing shorts on each one of these because your girl is going to be doing press-ons with these. In between doing like gel X and gel on my nails, I like to give my nails a break, and then I usually do either press-ons or like stickers on there. So these are absolutely stunning, and if you have been sleeping on these, run, because these look just like freaking nail salon, like as if you got them done at the nail salon. I love me some major brands that do press-ons. They have had like super cute designs, but these new Shein ones, they are next level. This looks like you ordered press-ons from somebody and wanted them to do designs for you, and they did. So first things first, these press-ons, you have to measure your cuticle. So you do want to measure your cuticle. They have it available. I want to say it's in centimeters and millimeters. You're gonna see like a little what's that called, like a little graph, and it'll tell you like which size depending on your fingers. So mine were size small. I'm hoping that these will all fit. Let me go ahead and open one and kind of just see. But yeah, these are definitely going to fit me. So each one of these is packaged with like little nail tabs, which I don't really use. I prefer glue. A little, what's the name? A little nail file, and the little tabs. So that's just gonna depend on personal preference. But okay, let me stop hyping y'all up and show you guys. But look at this, okay? Focus. Look at these, like holy moly, these are absolutely stunning. We have rhinestones, we have a mixture of colors, we have flowers, we have like a lot of people are doing like the gel on top with like designs, and these are just stunning, okay? Just stunning, beautiful. I will have these all linked down below. Like I said, my size is small. I went ahead and measured each one of my nails, and the one that came the closest was small. I will be doing, like I said, reels on these, like shorts, but this is what like it would look like. Oh my god. And they have almond, they have super long ones, they have, I mainly chose small almond and small short ones just because of my job. But you know, depending on your job and what you want to do, or you're gonna go on vacation, do you, boo. But these are absolutely gorgeous. So that's the first one. Next up is this gorgeous blue one. Again, we have flower designs. We have just like a variety of different ones, and I love the fact that they're not all matched. So once, like one hand will have the different design on a different finger kind of thing. This is so beautiful. And let me get on to the next one. So I'm gonna open all of these up because if not, the plastic might reflect the light, so that way you guys can see them. Next up are these gorgeous ones that have like duochrome. Hopefully this shows up because the light, if not, if anything, I might do like close-ups here to the side, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. It also has a rhinestone. It has the French tip as well. Just absolutely gorgeous. Next we have this design are like little short square ones, and this one has like little jellyfish on there. So this is super, super cute. Come on, focus. So that's what those look like. You can see the little jellyfish made with the gel and then painted. Super cute. Absolutely love. Next, this one is kind of like little bows and little black French tip. This is so freaking cute. Look how cute these are with like the little polka dots and the different bows on there. And I will definitely be putting these through the ringer because I work in a lab and I have to constantly be taking on and off gloves. So we will see if these stones actually stay on there. Next up, this one is another one that is short and like squared. The little ring finger has the little diamonds on there. I'm waiting for it to focus. But these are so pretty. They have glitter on them. Very, very beautiful designs. Next is another very simple one. It has one nail that has glitter on it, one that has kind of like a little line through it. Very, very cute and simple. It's kind of like the magnetic type of nail polish to it, so really, really cute. This is another one that is like that nail art design. Like I went to the beauty salon and got these done. Look how freaking stunning these are. We have the gel flowers, we have polka dots, we have lines, we have the gel embossed on top. Like these are so freaking gorgeous. Next we have another one that has like little holographics on it. It kind of has like the little foil on it. And I will tell you, this foil is a pain in the butt. I try to do my own nails and the foil is really, really kind of hard to mix with. Look how gorgeous these are. This right here, stunning. It has kind of like a duochrome vibe to it. Very, very beautiful. Just, oh my god, like I can't even tell you guys like how excited I am to wear these. And I will have the name of the shops down below if you guys are looking for the ones that make these nails. But look how gorgeous this one is. This one, if you know me, I'm a purple girly, and this has like purple, pink, red, white. These are absolutely just gorgeous. So they're really, really cute. I feel like they did just such a spectacular job. I would wear these and you would think like, damn, what nail salon did you go to? Again, another Frenchy one with flowers. Very tropical, very gorgeous. This one even has like gold beading on it. They have a lot of this almond shape. Oh my god, these are so stunning. This is for the girlies who love a blue and baby blue. These are dark blue with gold and white flowers. It even has like the little gel on here on the bigger finger. Just absolutely stunning. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, like it has like a variety, so each finger isn't the same. Like some of them repeat, but some of them don't. This next one is super cute if you're like into really cutesy cartoon stuff. It kind of has like these little strawberries. It has like these little bunny rabbits on there with like little X's on their mouth, flowers, a little star. And like I said, I'll have close-ups so you guys can see them. And that way you guys can get like the whole vibe of it, because I have to say I am so freaking impressed. Next we have another one with like diamonds, pearls, like different types of greens, pinks. This is so gorgeous. Do not sleep on these. Like, I hope that they keep making these and making more, because I was thinking of making my own press-ons, but like for $5 or $6 on Shein, yeah. And then this is the last one. This kind of like takes me back to Santorini. It has that vibe to it. Like, if you had to do these yourself, this would be so pricey. And I will update you guys down below as far as the longevity goes, because some press-ons are really strong and then some aren't. So that's just gonna depend on each one. I'm not sure, like these are one brand and this is a different brand, so that way I can kind of tell you guys which one I prefer. But I will update you guys. Let me know what you guys think of these. Am I the only one who's like, what? These are press-ons? I'm used to like very simple press-ons. I've seen really cute press-ons even from major brands, but this level though, I'm just so like excited to try these out. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're into beauty, perfumes, nails, the whole 9 yards, definitely hit that little subscribe button. My socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.